because this multiplier we will be using in percentage. So what do you mean by percentage? Here, suppose if it is written 75%. 75% means it is talking about this 75 has denominator 100, which means percent, means per 100. Okay, understood. Now, how this multiplier is going to be useful? For example, if it is written 75% increase, if it is written 75% increase, okay. Now in this case, if you are going to use multiplier, in this case multiplier is considered as, this is 100%, in that you will be adding this 75. So in total it is going to become how much? 175. But as I said, it is percent, so you will be keeping per 100. You will keep per 100 over here. Understood? So 175 upon 100, that will give you 1.75. So here your multiplier becomes 1.75. Understood? Yeah. So again we can take example. Suppose there is 10% increase. So 10% increase. In that case, again, you will be adding it into 100. So 100 plus 10 whole upon, we will be taking 100 only. So that will give you 110 upon 100, which will make it 1.10. So your multiplier is 1.10 over here. Okay. Now, so this was about increase, wherein we are adding whatever percentage has been asked to increase, we are adding. But if it is asked for decrease, okay, so let's see, this is for decrease. In that case, suppose it is written 75% decrease, okay, 75% decrease. So if they are asking for decrease, we will be subtracting. So from where you will subtract? From 100, because total is always out of 100 only. So we will take it as 100 minus 75. As it is written percent, so we will be putting it 100. So that will give you 100 minus 75 is 25. So it is going to become 25 upon 100, and in that case it is going to become 0.25. So here, if it is decrease, your multiplier is going to become 0.25. We can take that same example for decrease. If it is going to be 10% decrease, 10% decrease, in that case, again, you will do 100 minus 10 upon 100, which will be making it, 100 minus 10 is 90 upon 100, which will make it 0.90. So this is how we are getting multiplier. Okay. Now in next slide, we will be using this multiplier in our numericals. Okay. So we have taken this as an example. So here question is, a cloth shop reduces all prices by 20% in a sale. Find the sale price of these items. Here we will be using multiplier. Okay. So for 20%, what will be multiplier? Again, it is reducing, means decreasing. So your multiplier is going to be 100 minus 20 upon 100, which will make it 80 upon 100, which will give you 0.80. So this is your multiplier. Now they are asking to find out sale price. So sale price, how will you find out? You just need to multiply from its original price. You will be multiplying this multiplier. So sale price will be equal to its original value, which is 45, multiply this 0.80, that multiplier. So when we are going to multiply this, it is going to give you what? 8 5s are 40, 4 will be carry forwarded. So 8 4s are 32 plus 4 is going to give you 36. Okay, but here decimal points are there. How many decimal point is there? You see, it is 2 decimal places. Okay, but here we haven't taken this 0, so we will take this 0. Okay, and decimal point is here. Okay, we will keep this decimal point here. So your final answer coming is $36. Okay, understood? Now we can take one more example. Suppose this socks, it has original value $2.4. Now we need to find out sale price. Here also multiplier we need to take from this decrease only, and it is 0.80. Okay, see, in place of 0.80 you can write 0.8 as well, because after decimal point, if you are putting any 0, okay, if you put any 0 after numeral, it can be removed. Okay, so here we can take this example. For sale price, it is sale price would be 2.40. You can say 2.4 as well. Multiply this multiplier, which is going to be 0.8. So now you will multiply here. 8 4s are 32. 3 will be carry forwarded. 8 2s are 16 plus 3, 19. So we are getting 192. But you can see after decimal, how many numerals are there? How many digits are there? 1 over here. Here also one more is there. So in total 2. So your final answer is going to be 1.92. It is going to be 1.92. Okay. Yeah. So it is going to be $1.92. Understood? So this is how multipliers are being utilized. Understood? Now, if the same example we take, if we take the same example for increase, suppose original price for a doll is equal to $50. Okay, now if there is 5%, if there is 5% increase, so in this case what will be your multiplier? Again, 100 plus 5 upon 100 will make it 105 upon 100, which is, you have 2 zeros in denominator, so 2 decimal places, so it is going to become 1.05. okay, so this is your multiplier. So what will be new price, or you can say sale price over here? Sale price is going to be 50 multiplied by 1.05, your multiplier. Okay, so now this is 0, you can put it as it is. Now multiply. 5 5s are 25, 2 will be carry forwarded. 5 into 0 0 plus 2 is going to give you 2. Now 5 ones are 5. So this is your multiplication. Now how many decimal places are there in total? 2. So you will be putting 2 decimal places. Okay, so your new price or selling price or sale price is going to be $52.50. Okay, so this is how multipliers are used in increase or decrease value. Okay, next time we will be taking many more examples for percentage. Okay, so we will keep up to this for today. Thank you.